Hi, I'm Eva Treffert, and I'm a master gardener at the Extension Office in Sarasota. Today we're propagating. We're getting ready for our October plant sale. It's usually the second week in October, so we're usually taking clippings, mostly from our own gardens, bringing it in and potting it up, getting it ready.
How do you do that?
There are different ways, depends on what plants you're bringing in.
So with the plants you have today, what do you have?
This is Carissa macrocarpa, so I would cut it down to about 5 inches, and then I take all the leaves down, and then we use rooting hormone, and then we'll take about 3 of those and put them in our starter parts.
Can you show me?
Sure. Let me get this ready. I don't have my rooting hormone quite ready yet, but I would dip 3 of these in the rooting hormone, and then I would make a indentation, put it in, have them covered up, and you press it in like so. Then you water it, and then you put it in a shaded area because it doesn't have its own roots yet, so it needs to be kind of hidden from the sun for some time.